How to change profile picture in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change your Instagram profile picture? Then you're in the right place. So, first open your Instagram app and then go to profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here you'll see your profile with a camera option, so you'll have to tap on it, and there you'll see add profile picture. Tap on it and then choose the media that best suits you, and then choose the photo that you want to upload and then tap on done. And there you go, your Instagram profile picture has been changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.